So we just had a little snowstorm. It just came and went, and now it's all clear again. But it's just amazing how quickly the weather changes, and it's May. So the mountain range now has a little light dusting of snow on it. The sky above is clear blue. The sun is already set, so we've just got a little bit of sunlight bouncing off the clouds. It's twilight. I think the next town over is getting their snowstorm right now. I think that's where the weather went. It was basically one huge cloud that had some snow flurries, and then it moved along. But I love how the light is bouncing off the clouds. This is east. And this is west. I think just in the time that I did a 360, it's already changed a little bit. That's my favorite, that blue. Okay, I'm gonna go and walk to the back. Come on, we're going to the back. Okay, so when I left the front area, I was facing south. And now we're facing north. Huh, 333 timestamp. Thanks. That's called a poop bomb. She does that kind of often, especially at sunrise and sunset. It's so quiet, but you can hear the birds a little bit. There's not even one speck of ice or snow. I'm not sure how long to make this video. But since I'm already going, I'm gonna keep going. I've actually never put this on YouTube before, but for some reason it's meant to be for me to share it with you today. This is my walking meditation labyrinth. And the first time that I experienced it was at the Grace Cathedral in San Francisco. And it's an outdoor walking meditation. And it is actually based on the French cathedral, the Chartres. Oh no, the R's I can't roll. Chartres Cathedral has a labyrinth, and I decided to make one out here so that I could look at that while I walk. And the funny thing, I might have to put it in another video, is that when I decided to make it, I decided to just use my feet. You know, like when you hand make something. Well, this whole path, I wore these really old leather hiking boots with red shoelaces. I wore them while I basically just back and forth. I just kept shuffling and walking and moving rocks aside. If there was a large rock, I left it in the path. But the small rocks, I just pushed them to the side with my foot. The larger rocks, I left in the path. And I believe that's representing just navigating around the obstacles that life puts in your path. And this is the center. Because I did this by foot, I did not measure anything out. It's a bit of a wonky circle, but hey, that's life. It's a little bit wonky. The paths aren't all the same size. They don't all line up. The funny thing that I didn't realize until my friend took drone footage from up in the sky above, that you can see it. All the fighter jets that fly over here, they can see my labyrinth. And it just appeared, 2 years ago. 2.5 years ago. Look at that color. It's amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Sorry for the wind kicking in, but I appreciate it. Going back to this view. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for your kindness and love. And I wish you all the best. Take care.